In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can get paid instantly in your Stripe account. The first step that you have to do is to activate this feature, which is the instant payouts. This feature allows you to transfer your funds after minutes of transaction instantly into your account. But there are certain rules about this. First, you must be eligible here. And how you can be eligible for this feature, you must be a user that is connected into platforms like Australia, Canada, and Singapore, and United Kingdom and United States. Also, there are certain rules about the bank support for the instant payouts. And I'm going to show you how you can activate the instant payout. Once you're inside the dashboard of your account, you just need to head into the balances and then click onto the payouts. As you can see, I don't have it since I'm in a region available in Philippines. But if you're currently in the region of Canada, United States, or UK, you can use this feature instantly. And you just need to activate it inside the balances tab. And that's it. That's how you can get paid instantly in your Stripe account, and thank you for listening.